Welcome to the channel. Today, we will explore how to customize the appearance of Windows 11 using contrast themes. Adjusting contrast themes can make your screen easier to read, reduce eye strain, and enhance visibility. First, right-click on the Start icon at the bottom. From the list that appears, click on Settings. Next, in the Settings window, select Accessibility from the left-hand menu. Then, within the Accessibility menu, scroll down to find the Contrast Theme option. Click on it to open the Contrast Theme settings. Here, you will see a menu next to Contrast Theme. Click on this menu to view the available contrast themes. After that, choose the contrast theme that you prefer by clicking on it, giving your screen a new look with improved visibility and contrast. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and share it with others. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful Windows tips.